Are you tired of struggling financially? Watching others succeed while you're still figuring things out? What if I told you that you, yes you, can start earning money online and take control of your financial future? Stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to give you 2 real-life success stories that will inspire you to take action today. Let's go. Why most people fail can make money online. Most people never make money online because of one thing: self-doubt. They think it's impossible, or they wait for the perfect moment, which never comes. But guess what? The world is moving fast and opportunities are everywhere. Let's look at 2 real people who prove that anyone can do it. Steve, the dropout turned millionaire. Meet Steve. He was a college dropout, struggling to make ends meet. Everyone told him he needed a degree to be successful. But instead of listening to the noise, he started an online t-shirt store with just $200 in savings. He used print-on-demand services and focused on social media marketing. Within 6 months, his store was making over $10,000 per month. Today, he's a millionaire traveling the world. Imagine if he had listened to the doubters. His secret? He took action. Maria, the side hustle queen. Now, let's talk about Maria. She was a single mom, working a 9-to-5 job, barely making enough to pay the bills. Instead of complaining, she decided to monetize her skills. She started freelancing on Fiverr, writing blogs and social media posts for businesses. In just a year, she built a 6-figure income. Now, she owns her own content marketing agency. No excuses. Just start with what you have. Motivation. Why you need to start now. See, the problem isn't lack of money, it's lack of belief. If you're waiting for a perfect time to start, you're already losing. Start small. Take risks. Be self-confident and stay consistent. Because guess what? Every successful entrepreneur started with 0. The only difference between them and you, they took action. If you found this video helpful, don't just sit there, take action. Comment below, what's stopping you from earning online? Let's discuss. Like this video if you're ready to make money online. Subscribe for weekly strategies to boost your income. Share this with someone who needs motivation today. See you in the next video. Let's get rich together.